Question 21. Marie can afford a $250 per month car payment. So she's found a 5-year loan keyword at a 7% interest. So we know, so this is regarding loans, so we're going to use payout annuity formula. So let's try to remember that, right? We have big lump sum of money and little payment. So payout, we're paying out, so this P naught is reducing because smaller and smaller. And the inside this big parentheses, we have a fraction, or R divided by K. Oh, of course, you don't have to remember it, because on the test, you're going to be given the formulas. Then the numerator will have 1 minus R divided by 1 plus R divided by K, and it's 1 plus raised by negative NK, right? So we know this formula to apply. So let's see question 8. How expensive of a car can she afford? So 250 per month. So this is our lowercase d. D equals to 250 per month. Saying K equals to 12, or 12 months in a year. 7% R equals to 0.07. Right. So the only thing, so N, 5 year, N is here, N equals to 5. So we just have to find a P naught. So let's write here. So let's see, P naught equals to, so how expensive of a car can she afford? So we're trying to find this number, P naught. These 250, then multiply by, the denominator is 0.07 divided by 12. The numerator will have 1 plus 0.07. Oh no, this is wrong. I forgot a 1 minus. 1 minus, parentheses 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12. Then raised by negative. N is 5. K is 12. So that's 5 times 12. So if you are not able to put everything in one shot, I can do step by step, right? I press into calculator 0.07 divided by 12 to get a number, and then add 1 to it. Then raise by, well, negative 5 times 12 is negative 60. Raise by negative 60. Then subtract that number from 1. Then divided by this number. So I calculated 0.07 divided by 12 first, right? Actually, if I do that, 0.07 divided by 12, yeah, right. So 250 multiplied by 0.07 divided by 12. That's 0.005833, keeps going. The 3 keeps going. Then when the numerator have 1 minus or 1 plus this number, that's 1.005833. Then this number is raised by negative 60. So the next step I calculate 1.005833 raised by negative 60 to get 0.705405. Well, let's keep these many digits. The denominator is still the same. So get this number. Then subtract this number from 1 to get 0.294594. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Then use this number, divide by the denominator 0.005833. So to get, or I can multiply 250 first, then in the end, I get a 12,625 and 50 cents. Right. So this is how expensive a car can she afford if she can deposit $250 per month for the car payment for 5 years with the interest rate 7%. Okay, so she can afford a car worth $12,625.50. Now let's see the second question. The second question is how much total money? So what is the total amount of money she paid during the long time? So she pays, so the total amount of money is each time she pays 250. And she has to pay for 5 years. And each year she pays monthly. That's each year she has paid 12 times. So multiply these three numbers. So 5 times 12. Well, it's easy to do this. Okay. You see, 12, if you, let's just say, pretend you don't have a calculator. If you have a calculator, that's easy, right? You just get 15,000. 15,000. Right? If you don't, pretend you don't, you can do this. You can split 12 with 4 and 3, because that's 4 times 3. Then 4 times 250, that gives 1,000, right? Then 3 times 5, that's 15. 15 times 1,000, that gives you 15,000. C is asking how much of that money is interest. So we're going to use the total amount of money, which is 15,000, subtract the loan. The loan is 1262550. 12,625.50. So subtract those two numbers to get the interest. So the interest is $2,374.50. Right, because 15,000 is the money she paid in total for 5 years. And the $12,625.50 is a loan amount. So this is the interest. Subtract those two numbers. That's the interest, $2,374.50. Okay, this is for question 21.